Hello boys and girls, and welcome to another episode of the MK2 Golf story. I'm sorry it's been a while since I've done any videos, but I had an operation to remove a small organ. No, not my penis. Anyway, feeling much better, nearly fully recovered, so I'm going to do a couple of easy jobs today on both the GTI and the GTD. And today I'm going to be looking at replacing the rear light clusters. Woohoo, exciting! Alright, let's do it! So, as you may remember with the GTD, one of the problems we have is a broken light cluster. The question is, what do we replace it with? Do we go for the classic? Or maybe the white? What do you think? Well, it's not 1990s anymore, so I guess I can rule these out. I think I've got a better idea. I think I'll take the lights off the GTI, put them on that, and then put the classics back on here, since these are what came on the car originally. Take it back to a bit more of an OEM sort of look. That's my plan. Should be a dead straightforward job this. Basically, on the back of a light cluster, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little nuts that you've got to undo. It pops off. But to get to those on the GTI, I need to remove this panel. I've got one on each side. Luckily, it's quite easy. It gives you access to the back of the lights. And the nuts are up here, so I'll whip those off, get the lights off, and change them round. Now these little nuts might be on finger tight, but if they're not, all you need is a 9mm socket. One, 2, 3. Release the clip here, push it in, and on the other side. Just grab it like that, squeeze in, and then out come your bulbs. And then your lights should just pop off. And of course, as you can see, that's presented a little bit of rust, basically along here, around here. I will clean those up, but not today. I don't really have time at the moment. The weather's not looking great, so I'm just going to swap out the lights. I'll come back to that in another video. And when you change your lights, make sure you don't forget to put on a seal, because if you don't, obviously you're going to get water in. So always make sure one of these goes on. Also, when you put your seal on, make sure you get these little nugs all the way through, because you're going to get a better seal. And of course, once you've changed them, it's important to make sure that all the lights work. And surprise, surprise, it's the same process on this car. Yeah, I'm looking for these. One down. So here we go, here's the broken light. You can see the part of it which is broken. Obviously water's going to come pissing in through there. So, yep, had to be changed. Now because these lights don't have any orange lenses up here, you need to make sure you replace the bulbs, because obviously the original bulbs are white, and that's just going to be like that. So got a couple of orange bulbs here, swap it out. Not sure if you can see that, but that is orange. There we go, that's the lights changed on both cars. This is definitely better for it, and I think the GTI looks better with the original lights on. What do you think? Maybe you didn't know how to change the lights on one of these and you found it helpful, or maybe you've just found this whole video interesting. If that's the case, there's something wrong with you, but I appreciate you watching. Thanks for all the love, thanks for getting me over 400 followers on YouTube, subscribers, whatever they are. I'm on Twitter, follow me there, reach out. If anybody wants any of these MK2 Golf Story YouTube stickers, I've got a shitload. Well, I've got 5. So drop me a message and you can have one. Drop a like, maybe click on subscribe, and I'll get back to doing more regular videos in a couple of weeks when I'm fully recovered. It's actually made me hurt a little bit, this. But alright, thanks a lot guys, see you in the next video. Bye.